Hello students of class 9th. The question I gave you is the three vertices of the square ABCD are A 3, 2, B minus 2, 2 and D 3, minus 3. Please make a correction in the point D coordinates. It's 3, minus 3. Now these three coordinates of a square is given, so that means the C point is missing. So in this question what will have to do is we'll have to plot these 3 points on the Cartesian plane, and with the help of these 3 points we'll have to find the coordinates of point C. And after getting the point C, we will join all these 4 points and we'll make a square, and then we'll have to find out the area of the square. So this is the question. So what we are going to do is let's locate the point A first of all, and the point A coordinates are 3, 2. X coordinate is 3, Y coordinate is 2. So first of all I will come on here 3, and then if it is a positive 2, so I will mark is here. This is the point A. Okay. Now after that point B is minus 2, 2. So first of all I will come on here minus 2, and then I will again move upward, and this is the point B. After that it's turned for point D, and point D coordinates are 3, minus 3. So first of all I will come on point 3 on the x-axis, then y is minus 3, so I will be marked, I will come on here like this. This is the point D. So you can all see this. This is the point A, B and D. So you all know that all the sides of a square are equal, and each angle in the square is a right angle. So the point C will be in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant what will be the coordinates of point C? Means what will be the x coordinate and y coordinate. Now you can see that it should be in the line of B and the line of D. You can see this. Now if it is with B and D, so it will be here. The point will be here. How? The x coordinate of B will be the x coordinate of C, and the y coordinate of point D will be the y coordinate of point C. This is how we are going to find out the coordinates of point C. You can see this. Okay, it will be with B. So the x coordinate of B will be the x coordinate of C, and the y coordinate of D will be the y coordinate of C. Now after that we will have to join. Okay. Take a ruler and then join. Okay, take a ruler and then join. Okay. You can see that this is the square. Now what will be the side of this? You can see that. Okay, the side will be this AB. Okay, and the size of the side will be, it start from minus 2 to plus 3. So you can count the boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the side is 5 unit, and you will find out the area of the square by side square. That means 5 square, and the answer will be 25 square unit.